Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, FormStack and Salesforce. So the use case here is, whenever a new form is submitted through FormStack, automatically create lead in Salesforce. Now let us know what these two software applications are all about. So FormStack is a workplace productivity platform, whereas Salesforce is a CRM platform. The issue here is that these two software applications don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration software with the help of which you can transfer data from FormStack to Salesforce. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen. So here I am at Google, and now what I'm going to do is I'll go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will hover over this product section over here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, so now because I've already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. You just have to clone the template of the workflow. The link for the same is available in the description below the video. Once you clone the template, you will immediately get access to this workflow right in your account. So now I'm going to scroll down, and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and you can see we have so many workflows already created over here. So now I'm going to create a new workflow by clicking on this Create Workflow button. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow and I'm going to name it as FormStack to Salesforce Lead. Okay, now I'm going to create it. Okay, so now in this workflow, we are going to integrate FormStack with Salesforce. So here in Choose App, first I am going to choose FormStack. Okay, now in trigger event, according to our workflow, whenever there is a new form submission in FormStack, we want to create a lead in Salesforce. That is why new form submission will be our trigger event over here. Okay, so now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger event? Let me tell you that automations run on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, whenever a new form is submitted through FormStack, we want to create a lead in Salesforce. That is why new form submission in FormStack will be our trigger event, whereas creating lead in Salesforce will be our action event. So now I'm going to click on Connect with FormStack. Okay, so now under credentials, you have two options. If you have any existing credentials here, you just have to select it. Or if you want, you can also create new credentials. So here I don't have any existing credential. That is why I let it be new credentials. And now I'm going to connect with FormStack. So I've already logged into my FormStack. That is why I just have to authorize over here. Okay, you don't have to worry about your data. Everything is 100% safe and secure with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here it is asking us for the form name. So I've already created a form called Salesforce Lead. I'll show you. I'll go to my forms over here. Okay, so you can see I have created this form called Salesforce Lead form. If you want, you can also create new forms over here, and then you can select whichever form you want to create the submission. That is why I am just going to let it be Salesforce Lead form. Okay, so here you can see this term called webhook URL. Now you might ask me, what is this webhook URL and how is it helpful for us? Let me tell you that webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook URL helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So usually what happens is that after choosing the app and after choosing the trigger event, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application. But here you don't have to do it because you have already built a connection by authorizing FormStack with Pabbly Connect. So here what will happen is when you click on save and send test request, automatically this webhook will be set inside the trigger software application, that is FormStack. So now I'm just going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so you can see we have API response. Now I'm just going to click on capture webhook response, and now we are going to go and make a new submission in the form, and then we'll see if Pabbly Connect captures the data or not. So I'll go back to my form stack and I'm just going to open this form. I'm just going to click on share. I'm just going to copy this and open it in new tab. Okay, so I have this form here through which I am going to create new lead in Salesforce. So first name I am going to put Benjamin, last name Alexander, email is benjamin98@gmail.com, address Aurora Colony, city is Bhopal, state is Madhya Pradesh, okay, country India, company submit form. Okay, so you can see form was submitted successfully. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. So you can see Pabbly Connect has already captured our response. You can see the form ID, unique ID. You can see the value is over here. The name is here. You can see the email, the address is here. The company is here. So now I'm just going to click on save. Okay, so here we have successfully finished our first step integration, that is integration of FormStack and Pabbly Connect. Now we are going to begin with our second step integration. So I'm going to add an action step. So here we are going to integrate Salesforce and Pabbly Connect. That is why I am going to choose Salesforce over here. So now in action event, according to our workflow, whenever a new form submission is made through FormStack, we want to create a lead in Salesforce. That is why create lead will be our action event over here. You can see we have various other action events available. You can select whichever action event you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the action event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. Now I am going to click on create lead because this is our action event. Now I'm going to click on connect with Salesforce. So under credentials, again, you have two options. If you want, you can click on new credentials and connect with Salesforce directly. Or if you want, you can also select any existing credentials from here. So I am going to directly connect with Salesforce. Okay, I'm going to allow it. You don't have to worry about your data. Everything is 100% safe and secure with Pabbly Connect. So now here you can see we have some empty fields and we have to fill the information according to our response, that is API response. So we just have to map these details. So it is asking me for the last name. So we have the last name Alexander. First name is Benjamin. Title I'm not going to give anything. Company. Okay, we have the company. Company is Tesla. Phone number, we don't have the phone number. Email, we have the email. Okay, website description, I'm just going to write form submitted through FormStack. Lead source, I let it be other. Status, okay, fine. Rating, warm. We have the address, I'm just going to map the street. City, we have Bhopal. Country, we have India. Okay, so I have filled all these fields over here. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request. So you can see we have the API response. That means we have successfully finished our integration of FormStack and Salesforce successfully. So now let's go to Salesforce and check if we have created a new lead or not. So I'll go to my Salesforce account. I'll go to my leads. You can see Benjamin Alexander is over here. I'll just open it. So you can see Benjamin Alexander is here. The company is here. You can see the email. You can see the description, form submitted through FormStack. So we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So now I'll go back to my FormStack and I'm going to open our form again. Okay, so now I'm again going to make a submission over here. Name is going to be Elena Matthew. Email elena45@gmail.com. Address Akriti City, Shangabad Road, City, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, country, company, Hero. Submit form. Okay, so we have successfully submitted one more form over here. Now let's go back to Salesforce and check if a new lead is created there or not. So I'll go back to my Salesforce and I'm going to refresh this. So I'll first go to my leads. You can see Elena Matthew. Okay, I'm going to open it. So you can see Elena Matthew is over here. The email is here. Company is here. Form submitted through FormStack. So we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now I'm going to explain you what has happened in our example. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first the information came from FormStack to Pabbly Connect. Then from Pabbly Connect, the information went to Salesforce. So now every time a new form is submitted through FormStack, automatically a lead will be created in Salesforce. So we have successfully finished the integration of FormStack and Salesforce using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.